Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add mosaic transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to add mosaic transition, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click on the effect and swipe until you can see mosaic transition effect. This is the mosaic transition effect, this one. So you just click on it, and after this you can set the duration for the transition. So you just swipe left or right this icon like this, and after this you can click on apply to all, and now you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add mosaic transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.